Since 2009, we've been supplying Zhejiang University with our MEIKO cleaning systems. These sophisticated, complete solutions include conveyor belts, food waste systems, tray cleaning and dishwashing machines. What we'd proposed at that time required no pre-washing and consequently increased work efficiency considerably, also thanks to the equipment for processing kitchen waste.
We had taken a look around the classic gastronomy sector to see what machines were being used there. We then contacted MEIKO and gradually began testing their systems one after the other. Today, MEIKO machines are used in all the canteens and refectories at all Zhejiang University locations.
MEIKO machines with conveyor belts and dishwashers are in operation on all 6 Zhejiang University campuses. Altogether, there are over 40 MEIKO dishwashers currently in use.
We've been working with MEIKO for about 10 years now, and it was about 10 years ago that concepts for green growth became politically desirable in China. To save energy, we began looking for more scientific and more economical alternatives to conventional dishwashing methods. We've used MEIKO dishwashers at all our locations, and the feedback we've received is very positive overall. Their safety and reliability, as well as their energy consumption, are all very good. At the same time, their cleaning performance and speed is excellent, which is a great help to us in the current situation at our universities, with high student numbers and consequently enormous amounts of dishes to wash.
MEIKO, the clean solution.